Hello friends! Today, we're unboxing and exploring the METRIX DT2235BL Contact-Type Tachometer. Let's start with the unboxing of the display. It comes in sturdy and well-protected packaging, ensuring that the product reaches the user safely and securely. As we open the package, the first item that we can see is the METRIX DT2235BL device itself along with 4 different probes. The DT2235BL is a contact-type digital tachometer used for measuring rotational speed, RPM, of motors, shafts, and other rotating objects. We can see that it features a high-accuracy sensor and a backlit LCD display, making it suitable for use in various industrial and maintenance applications. The device requires direct contact with the rotating surface via an included adapter, such as this rubber tip or wheel. It provides precise and stable readings over a wide measurement range, ensuring reliable performance in mechanical and automation systems. The key features that are offered in METRIX DT2235BL Contact-Type Digital Tachometer are as follows. As the name suggests, it is contact-type. It can hold maximum value, minimum value, average value, and last measured value. It has a high resolution, which means it can cover a wide range of measurement. It also comes with a low battery indicator and LCD backlight display. It also has a feature of automatic shutdown, ensuring power sustainability. Due to its virtue of big display, it is clearly readable. As you can see that this tachometer has a solid and ingenious structure. The whole machine adopts durable and optimized electronic components, and light but hard ABS plastic for the shell, which is good-shaped and user-friendly. So this was about all the specifications that are offered in METRIX DT2235BL Contact-Type Digital Tachometer. Now, let's see how we can actually operate the device. The user can easily operate this tachometer following the shown steps. 1. Turn on the tachometer using the power button at the center. 2. Attach the appropriate contact adapter to the sensor shaft, depending on the application. 3. Select the unit in which you want to measure, but long pressing the MEM button to switch among RPM, meter by minute, feet by minute. 4. Short press the button the right to turn on or turn off the measurement. 5. Now, hold the tachometer firmly and gently press the contact adapter against the rotating surface and ensure the adapter remains stable and centered to avoid fluctuations in readings. After a few seconds of contact, the reading can be observed. 6. You should note that the measurement is off by default after turning on the instrument. Close is displayed on the screen when the measurement is off. If measurement is on, real-time rotation speed is displayed. Under close state, you can check the maximum, minimum, last and AV gearage values by short pressing MEM button. So this was all about the working of METRIX DT2235BL Contact-Type Digital Tachometer. This tachometer is perfect for industries like in manufacturing and production for ensuring consistent RPM in automated machinery. In power plants for monitoring turbine, pumps and generators to ensure efficiency. In food and beverage industry for measuring conveyor belt speed in food processing plant. In pharmaceuticals and chemical processing for monitoring the speed of agitators, centrifuges and rotary equipment to ensure precise blending and mixing formulations. If you're looking for precise and reliable rotation speed measurement with a big display, the METRIX DT2235BL is an excellent choice. So viewer, this was all about the METRIX DT2235BL Contact-Type Tachometer offered by METRIX. Hope you liked the video and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more product overviews and tech tips. See you next time.